We're looking at the questions. This is question time now to apply what we said in the previous video. In the video. Sine 120, sine 150. Okay. If you look at what we said in the previous video, we said that this from here to here is 90. From here to here is 180. Okay. Here is 270. Here is 360. So 180, 154 in second quadrant. So maybe somewhere here. It's for in second quadrant. And in second quadrant, the formula is sine 150 will be equal to the total of that angle, which is 180 minus so minus 150. Okay. So we said in second quadrant it is what? It is 180 minus theta. Okay. So the theta you are given is what? Is 150. So that will be equal to what? Sine 30. So that's that for that one. Sine 30. Number two, cos 210. Cos 210 fall in third quadrants. It falls in third quadrant. This is from here, it's 180. So any addition to that will be in this region. Okay, and in this region is 180 plus theta. Okay, 180 plus theta. So 180 plus theta. We can do it two-way. You can do it two-way. That will be 180. The extra addition is what? 30. Okay, that's 180 plus cos theta, and that will be equal to what? Cos. But when we skip something, this value for in third quadrant. Cosine is in fourth quadrant from the word cast. Okay, cosine is in fourth quadrant because it doesn't fall in its own region. So negative will be in the front of that. That will be minus cos theta. That extra value, that's theta. That's cos 30 minus cos 30. Okay, you can punch calculator for that. Another alternative for this place, for the third quadrant, we can check 270 minus 210. I think she always will give us the same value. That 30 will give us minus 302. So that's that on minus cos 30. So it doesn't work that way. So in third quadrant, it will just be the value that it exceeds that 180. So this is 180 plus theta. So that's that. And the third one, times 300. This one also will give us this 304 is in the fourth quadrant, but we said here 90. From here to here is 90, 180, 270 in third quadrant, and 360 here. So 304 in fourth quadrant. Okay, we can do it in two ways, as in do it this way. It doesn't fall in its own region, so that minus 10. The total angle here is 360. From here to here is 360. 360 minus 300. 360 minus 300. And that will be what? Minus 10 60. Minus 10 60. So minus 10 60 will give us, you can punch a calculator. Minus 10 60. That's minus root 3. That's minus root 3. Okay, so that's that. Okay, and don't forget what we said. Knowing cast is very important. Okay, and knowing this is from here to here. This is 90, 180 degree, 270, and then 360 here. Okay, so any value immediately after 270 is in the fourth quadrant, and the fourth quadrant the formula is 360 minus theta. Okay, in the second quadrant the value is the formula is 180 minus theta. In the third quadrant the formula is what? 180 plus theta. Okay, so that's that and that. Next question. Here, expressed in terms of the trigonometry ratio of positive acute angle. Okay, and when we talk of acute angle, I've told us in the first video, just angle less than or equal to 90. Angle less than 90. Yeah, so for cos solution, cos minus 170. Okay, first of all, count this one. Cosine of negative angle is cos, it's positive. Okay, that's the first step. Second step, where does this value fall? It falls in what? Second quadrant. For this value to fall in second quadrant and be having cos, that would now become minus cos. Yeah, so cos. After this, we know that cos of negative is positive. Don't forget that cos minus theta is what? Is cos theta. Sine minus theta is minus sine theta. Tan minus theta is minus tan theta. Okay, so cos minus 70 will be cos, will be positive, but we can go further. This value fall in second quadrant. That will be, because it fall in second quadrant, it doesn't fall in cosine region. So that will be minus 180 minus 170, and that will be equal to what? Minus cos 10. So that's minus cos 10. Tan 200 tan 200 will be equal to, the value also falls in third quadrant. 204 in third quadrant. So in that case now, that is what? Tan 180. How much value it exceeds 180? That's 20 plus 20. So that's tan 20. Okay, that's tan 20. Then you can punch the calculator to get the value for that. Number 3, cos minus 300. Okay, cosine of negative function, that will be cos 300. Okay, and this 300 falls in fourth quadrant, and that will be equal to a cos 360 minus 300, and that's what? Cos 60. Okay, then you can take the press calculator and get that value. Then the other one, number 4, sine minus 500. I think we need to put brackets here to make it okay. So sine minus 500. I've told us that sine minus theta is what? Minus sine 500. Okay. Then the question now is that, okay, that minus. Don't forget that this is if you go on like that, this is 360 complete. Okay, plus another one, making 450, plus another 90, making 450 to this place. So, and this value is more than 450, so it's in this region. Okay, so that will be equal to, it's in its own region. Okay, that will be equal to sine, what can we call that? Sine, the total in this region will be, I think, 540 minus 500. Okay, and that will be minus sine 40. That's minus sine 40. Like this. This is the 360. If you extend to this place, that's 450. Another again, if you go this way, 360, and you continue, plus 180 to that place, so that will be 260 plus 180. That's the 540. So the total in that place is 540 minus the amount you move to that place, 500. So that's why I did that. And if you don't want to do it that way, you can do it another way. That will be equal to, where you have minus 500, that will be equal to minus sine 500. Now we have sine minus 500, and that's equal to what? Minus sine 500. Okay, so with that, we now have minus sign. Then if you draw your stuff, this is 360 complete. So 360, okay, plus what amount? Plus what? To make 500, that's 140. So your answer will be what? Minus sign what? Minus sign 140. So these are the two ways you can solve it. These are the two ways you can solve that question. Okay.